Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has signed 5 more bills into law to protect and empower the rights of Lagos residents. Attorney General Commissioner for Justice Lawal Pedro stated this at a media briefing. Mahogbe Josu tells us more.
Aside from the electricity bill Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu signed into law on December 3, 2024, there are other bills he assented to.
The Consumer Protection Law, Lagos Human Organ and Tissue Transplantation Law, Lagos Enforcement Training Institute Law, Victim Assistance and Witness Protection Law, Fire and Rescue Service Law. No doubt these laws will impact the people of the state and will ensure good governance.
The Lagos Human Organ Harvesting and Tissue Transplantation Law is established to address challenges in the health sector and protect individuals from being coerced by medical practitioners.
Section 25 provides for registration of transplant biobanks and regulation of hospitals conducting the removal, storage, transplantation of human organs. Under this section, biobanks are required to be registered with the agency. Section 45 provides for restriction on removal of organs from minor or mentally challenged persons.
Victims Assistance and Witness Protection Law provides that victims and witnesses testifying on a case in court are protected, supported, and invulnerable.
Section 50 in particular of that law makes provision that it is the duty of hospitals and medical facilities to give immediate medical attention to certain victims in cases of emergency and get reimbursed for the cost of the treatment in situations where the victim is indigent or the family members cannot be reached. The law provides for the establishment of the Victim Assistance and Witness Protection Trust Fund. It is a trust fund to be managed by the agency from which compensation to victims and other incident expenses will be defrayed.
The Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service Law empowers the agency to ensure that high-rise buildings, petrol stations, and other public places install water ring mains, fire and water hydrants in their premises, while the Lagos Consumer Protection Agency law provides that a first offender on selling expired or substandard goods may be convicted to a fine of not less than 500,000 naira or a term of custodial sentence not less than 6 months, or a fine and a 1-year non-custodial sentence. Mahogbe Josu, LTV News.